I gotta hold it, hon. I have to hold it. I know.
I think she did.
Let me hold it. I know you're a good camera holder. Just in case. We're going down back. Here we go. Oh no.
Are you really going on a water ride? Yes.
Dad, you can never help.
Yeah, maybe. Uh-oh, look. About to get drenched. Oh, that got me.
Careful, guys!
How are you getting so lucky? All dry, pretty much. Oh.
Dad, that's off.
No?
That's off.
Stop. That's it.
That's it?